Yes. I win, Caillou.
Oh darn it. Hey Leo. I'm going to wash my hands in 20 seconds. Be right back. That's it. I'm going to flood in house with bathtub and sink. Ha 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 ha. Get ready to surf's up. Okay, I'm back, guys. There's nothing to be afraid of.
Rosie, run.
Rosie's scared. Grab my hand, quickly.
Oh no. I saw bathroom is flooded. Let's go.
Oh no, the bathroom is rising up. How to turn this thing off?
I don't know. We're going to die in here while parents will be here soon.
It was Caillou's over flood house. I love you guys.
Caillou? Are you home?
Oh my goodness.
Well, actually, for saying this, it's not me.
Rosie? Oh, thank God, it's okay. You're still alive and you still wet.
Sarah? Leo? Are you all right?
We are fine, Dad. Wait a minute, who did that?
Hey Dad. That was so awesome in the water slide. What?
Caillou. It was you. How dare you just flood in the house at night? That's it. You're grounded for 5 days. This means no Chuck E. Cheese for you. Now get out of here or I am calling the cops on you.
No. I'm not going to jail in 5 days. Screw you.
Thank you for stop being rude.
No problem. Let's go to the new house.
Can't believe I ate my life, and now I'm saying, hey! You are watching DVD? Please, press the fast forward button.